Zumba people in Salem. And they have the Salem mountain as the backdrop. Yeah. So this is the cable car connection. You know, going here, there's a lady who said we cannot go. If we believed her, we're done. But good thing we pushed through. Ah, look! Dude, it's coming! So this is the cable car that we are riding. Yes.